Tanong ng isa nating masugid na follower, may separation pay ka ba kung ikaw ay kusang mag-resign sa iyong work? So, ang sagot po natin dyan ay wala. So, ano ba talaga ang resignation? So, ayon sa Supreme Court, sa Birhen Shipping Corporation versus Barakyo, GR number 178127, dated April 16, 2009, ang resignation is defined as the voluntary act of an employee who finds himself in a situation where he believes that personal reasons cannot be sacrificed in favor of the exigency of the service, and he has yet no other choice but to disassociate himself from his employment. So, ngayon dumako naman tayo doon sa uh, binabanggit tungkol sa separation pay. So, ayon pa rin sa Korte Suprema, sa Hinantuan Mining Corporation versus NLRC, so in fact, that the rule is that an employee who voluntarily resigns from employment is not entitled to separation pay except when it is stipulated in the employment contract or CBA, or it is sanctioned by established employer practice or policy. So ulitin natin, ang isang empleyado na nag-file ng resignation letter sa trabaho ng kusang loob at walang pamimilit ay walang karapatan na humingi ng separation pay, except kung may obligasyon ang employer na bigyan siya sa ilalim ng kanilang employment contract o collective bargaining agreement, o ito ay matagal nang ginagawa ng employer as company policy and practice. Attorney Kid Castro po, panatag ang loob ng taong may alam. Hanggang sa muli.